Hey guys, Michael Valentino from A Grade Caravan Repairs in Campbellfield, Victoria, your partner and trusted Jayco Northern Suburbs caravan repairer. Today we're going to be showing you our little tool to be able to find water leaks in your caravan. Water leaks in caravans is a prevalent issue and something that really needs to be taken seriously. Most insurance companies across Australia, including RACV, CIL and various others, do not cover water ingress in caravans, which means you, the owner, may be up for anywhere between $8,000 to $15,000 worth of a warranty bill or insurance bill that may be declined as a result of lack of maintenance. Here at A Grade Caravan Repairs, we have a tool that is exclusive to our company that will allow for exact finding and pinpoint system of your water leak. It is using an air pressure system imported from the United States. This system here pressurizes the whole cabin inside the caravan, and we can find exactly like a gas leak, but instead a caravan water leak. Today we're going to do a quick demonstration of what we do to be able to find that water leak, but definitely engage with A Grade Caravan Repairs and the team at A Grade in order to be able to find and utilize your caravan. If your caravan's just approaching its out of warranty period, or your caravan's a few years older, or it's a new to you caravan, we strongly suggest you take the plunge, spend the money, and get the team of experts to not guess where your water leak, but tell you, and you will know exactly where that is. I'll take you on the demo and you can have a look how we find it. So with the serum applied across the caravan, you will begin to see all areas that are allowing water ingress through the caravan. Now, this system is extremely exact, and with a high pressure system, we can find the exact area of water ingress, and this will continue to be able to be monitored and fixed to allow a secondary test.